All right, so we're looking at the ES right here and the NQ, both of them on the E-mini. They are looking, it could do a reversal, and that would be the 1, 2, 3 reversal is what I really like a lot. And I've got an order in to buy above that high on the NQ. Let me show you here exactly what I'm talking about. So you got that little trend line here. This is the VWAP up here, this blue line. And if they both break it at the same time, I like to see these patterns working together, the ES and the NQ. And they are so far. This morning, they didn't start out that way, though. They were all over the place. This look, NQ went all the way down here. The ES just kind of stayed in the middle. So I've got a 5-point stop. And what I will do is if it fails and gets stopped out, I will look for another entry point if it breaks another high again to go back up, and then I will put my new stop in below the low that it just created on the pullback. So the only thing I don't like about this right now is the DMI. I wish these were closer together. Now this is the RSI, which is getting ready to cross the 50 level. Over here, I like to see this line. This is the slow stochastic. I would rather see it up close to the 50% level. And everything else is looking like it wants to go up, but that's the only point I'm kind of thinking it may not push on through. Then again, maybe it will. I don't know, but I will keep my order in. But all I have, I'm risking $100 on that. So I'll come back if something happens here, if I get triggered. All right, so I just got filled. I'm already up about $100 somewhere in there. I like to move my stop up pretty quick once I'm up 100. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to put it in just below the entry point. So, and it looks like it wants to come back and tag it. We'll see here. But here's the ES. It broke the resistance first, and then the NQ followed suit. I think it could very well go up here to the VWAP. Well, the DMIs have crossed over on the ES, so that's a good sign. This is already up. It's up about $200 right now. I should be able to get to 400. So, well, we'll see. Let's look over here real quick. Yeah, it's moving up. These are, even though it's not up crossing the 50, this stochastic. But let's see here. And it's got still a little bit of steam. Gotta get 6 more points. And it looks like it's going to do it here. Maybe. Yeah, ES still looking strong. Looks like it's going to pull it on up with it. And it could go on up if it goes up at least to this point. So yeah, I was up, got up to about 300 so far. Well, now I'm just going to make sure I'm playing with their money. So that will cover my commission. Might be running out of steam here. I don't know. Like I said, if this DMI was already crossed, I think it would be I would feel a lot better about it being stronger. This one has crossed. This is the RSI, already crossed the 50 level. Let's just see if we can get a little more oomph out of it. And see what the high is on this one. It's 13,600.75. So it's got to go above this point right here. And I think it should go on in once it breaks that 7.5. It's getting close. Okay, yep. It just did. I'm thinking it should go on up here to this VWAP. It's so close. And again, that doesn't guarantee anything either, folks. So Let's see what this is doing over here. Yes, so the RSI has crossed the 50 here. It's at 52.79, 53. It's looking stronger, so that's a good sign. Should go on up and get me filled. And almost, let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, let's see here. I like the idea that the VWAP is just right there and it wants to go up and hit it. ES is still trying to go on up. So it should pull this up. I'm feeling pretty confident. There we go. All right, so got filled at that. I made a little over $400 on that one. So that's it for the day. It was a perfect setup, which I really like, is the 1, 2, 3 reversal, which is the 1, 2, and 3, and it can't continue on down. And then you buy above this high right there, and you just take a little bit of profit. I mean, this thing could go on up for the rest of the day. I don't know, but I'm done with it, and that's just kind of the way I trade it. So I hope you had a good trading day. I did, and you got to wait for your target, have the discipline and patience, and hopefully you'll have more wins than losses. Um, if you like the video, I appreciate it if you hit the like button and maybe subscribe to me, and check the next video when it comes out. So I hope you have a good trading day, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.